Welcome back to our channel Mindbenders. Today, we're diving into DeepSeek, China's latest AI innovation that's making waves in the tech world. Designed to enhance productivity, DeepSeek offers a range of features to streamline your tasks. Let's explore what DeepSeek is and how you can harness its capabilities to boost your efficiency. DeepSeek is an advanced AI tool developed by a Chinese tech startup, celebrated for its efficient and cost-effective AI reasoning model. It's designed to assist users in various tasks, from drafting emails to generating code snippets. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both tech enthusiasts and professionals. To get started with DeepSeek. 1. Access the platform. Visit DeepSeek's official website at deepseek.com. Sign up using your email address to create a free account. 2. Navigating the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. The main menu provides options like text generation, code assistance, and task automation. Drafting emails. Click on text generation. Input key points or a brief outline of your email. DeepSeek will generate a polished draft, which you can further edit as needed. Code assistance. Navigate to Code Assistance. Specify the programming language and describe the function or code snippet you need. DeepSeek will provide you with accurate code suggestions, expediting your development process. Task automation. In the Task Automation section, list repetitive tasks you handle daily. DeepSeek can help automate these tasks, freeing up your time for more critical activities. While DeepSeek offers impressive capabilities, it's essential to be aware of data privacy considerations. As with any AI tool, ensure you're comfortable with the data policies in place and adjust your settings accordingly. DeepSeek is revolutionizing the way we approach productivity with its advanced AI features. By integrating it into your daily routine, you can accomplish tasks more efficiently and focus on what truly matters. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.